Hey guys, it's Profit Taker here. I'm just following up on another video and trying to give you guys a little bit more uh, insight on what's going on. This is going to be a quick video update of the market. Of course, today is July 15th. Um, Beautiful day in the market today. Market going up, down, sideways, and just trying to give you guys some ideas of what's going on. Well, I'm gonna take all this off and start with that and then give you a basic what I'm looking at, right? I just took all that off. All right, so on the QQQs, I am seeing a diamond pattern setting up. Now, mind you, uh, if this breaks, if this breaks 725, the valid is invalid. Like the pattern is invalid if it breaks to 725, right? It needs to break above this candle right here. So I'm gonna zoom in on this candle. If it breaks above 725, that is 720. Let me see, 725. Sorry, 726.39 is the high. It needs to break above this candle. As of right now, the pattern is still playing out. This is a reversal pattern, and I'm not saying that it's going to pull back to, we're going to crash. But what I'm saying is like it will pull back a good amount. It will give you a light correction, which we've been going straight up. So let me draw it out for you guys and show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's going to be this first, right? I'm gonna I'm not gonna go crazy with the drawing. I'm just gonna draw from what I see. I'm just gonna draw from what I see right now. I'm not gonna go crazy. Boom. And I need this one more time. I'm just drawing it out with you guys, right? So you guys can see what I'm looking at. Um, One more. I mean, I could have cloned this, but I want to do it here while you guys are live. Boom. All right. So that's a diamond pattern, and that pattern normally reverses and goes down. So before I actually do my measurement from top to bottom, which I'm using that tool right there, I'm going to show you what a diamond pattern is and explain it to you. So diamond pattern. So how to measure a diamond pattern in trading. So it says measure the diamond pattern by finding its widest vertical point, the distance between the highest high and the lowest low inside the diamond. So that's right here. So I'm going from top to bottom, and then from your breakout level down to your target, right? Now, you set your stop loss, right? Put it the opposite of the trend line. So um, you literally want to just, you know, when you get to the bottom of this diamond pattern, that's when you want to set your stop right here. And then your stop will go above this like lower high. Um, so basically this is a reversal pattern. And at the bottom of the chart, you're looking for the breakout bullish, right? So if it's at the bottom, and at the top, you're looking for bearish, right? You see that? All right, let's get back to the chart. Okay, so if I'm measuring out the diamond, like I said, you saw me put the tool on here. I'm gonna go from here to here. Now, guys, what I need from you guys, I need you to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe on. Just hit the. Go ahead and hit give me some some push up, like give me some rockets, also comment on TradingView, comment on YouTube. Let me know what charts you want me to break down. Let me know what you're having problems with, what you're struggling with, right? um a lot of people are struggling out here to become profitable, right? So whatever charts you need me to break down, I'm willing to break them down. And bigger thing is, let me know what you need help with so I can publish those charts. And you know, tell me what you feel about, if I'm wrong on this analysis, how you feel about this analysis. Let me know how you feel, right? I'm probably not drawing it perfect, but that's okay. This is only for entertainment purposes only. Look at my charts. Let me know how you feel. But yeah, so back to the chart. Target. My target would be somewhere around this 644 to 655 level. And if I go a little lower to what a breakout would be, probably like here, you can see like, that 200-day, this is the 200-day moving average, that will be coming up. I think you get down to that 200-day moving average. That would be my target. Now, mind you, if this breaks this low right here of this 71023, now you can say we're in range. We're literally there. If it breaks above the seven, what I said, 726.39, then the pattern's invalid. But as of right now, pattern's intact. Look at it, do your math, do your research. This is for entertainment purposes on. This is Profit Taker here, just a quick video. This is what I see in the charts. Um, don't go crazy on longs, don't go crazy on shorts. Real quick, I'm gonna show you how we would map this out, just so you can see the play, right? So if you take this, where's my short tool? Right here. So this is a short tool. You want this to come down like this, right? So you want it to, I'm gonna click on this. You want this to come down like this, up, retap this level, and then lower high, right? And it may retap this again. It's gonna do something like probably like this, lower highs and lower lows, right? What you would be doing is taking your stop, like your short position here, and you would take it and put it here, and you put your stop here, right? And then your target would be here. And that'll get you essentially what, 901, right? 901. I mean, you can put the stop as tight as you want. Remember, this is on a daily chart. So, you need to take things further out. You don't have to play SPY because SPY is going to be expensive. You can play tech. I mean, oh, this is QQQ. You can play tech. You can play anything in tech that's not strong or making higher highs and higher lows, right? So yeah, this would be how it looks, right? And target would be like 645, even 657. Anywhere in this range right here would be my target, right? Anywhere in this range would be my target. And then obviously, like you see that wick right there at 686, you'd be taking profits there. You definitely be taking profits in this area here of that 76 here. So what's that? No, 686, 668, and then down at these level here, you'll be taking target. But anyway, that's all I got. I don't want to make the video too long. Profit Taker here. Like, subscribe. Definitely jump on here and type. I need you guys to comment. I need you guys to tell me what you see. Tell me what you need me to break down. That's going to keep me going. I want to be the #1 person on TradingView doing this. All right, guys. Have a good one. Thank you.